ChillFlow uses Lyco's patented hydroflow water agitation method and cools product twice as fast while using less energy than other systems. As pouches proceed through the rotary drum cooler, they are totally submerged in water, then gently stirred and massaged using Lyco's proprietary hydroflow technology. ChillFlow allows you to cool product fully through in a much shorter time, while at the same time using less water. ChillFlow is ideal for food service and institutional pouches and uses half the space of belt coolers and lane chillers. Product exits the machine at 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, and discharges onto a dewatering shaker and air knife. Lyco Manufacturing, the experts in innovative food processing machinery.